Hey guys, today I have a Whirlpool Duet front load washer and electric dryer matching set, and I've got this one set up here. We're gonna go ahead, let me get it switched over here. We're gonna do a normal cycle, and that'll actuate both water valves on warm. We're gonna let it rip full speed on the spin cycle, normal. So this is how long, kind of affects the time there, how long it's gonna be in the wash cycle. Turn the extra rinse off. You've got a control lock feature here, and we just simply hold to start. It's gonna lock that door. This is where the soap and stuff goes, which it'll run water through there first. Got a pretty heavy towel load, bunch of bath towels and hand towels in there. And once it's all done, we'll open it up and I'll show you the seal inside's nice and clean. There's no leaks, nothing like that. Nice balance, smooth operation. All things you'd check as if you were standing here yourself checking it out. You get to make sure that everything looks good. That way you know when you get it home, plug it in, you'll be good to go. So I'll let this go ahead and get started, and I'll come back once everything's nice and wet and rolling around. All right, so it's getting started now. It pumped a bunch of water in through here, and it's kind of saturating all those clothes. So here's where the soap and stuff would be. I just use a little cap full of bleach, but if you had your soap in there, your HE soap, it would run through, and everything would be getting real sudsy and soapy right now as it kind of moves on through the rest of this cycle. But 41 minutes left to go. This also has a quick wash, which I think is only like 26 minutes, and it does a really good job too. I ran a couple of those first, but we'll let this kind of move along here. All right, and we are running the spin cycle now. It's getting into the spin cycle, drain's running. So it's drained all the water out. Spinning super fast. Doing an excellent job max extracting the water out of those clothes. I've even actually got my laptop set up on top of it, and you see how smooth it is. All right, so I'm gonna let this finish up. It's gonna spin out for a while yet still. About the 2-3 minute mark, it kind of slows down and finishes draining and does a little jingle. And then we'll move the clothes over to the dryer and show you the inside of this washer and that seal and everything. Okay, now we've got the electric dryer running with that load going. We've got the washer cleaned and cleared out. So both these are about super capacity plus. They're nice and big, and as you can see here, seal's nice and clean. The inside, nice and clean, super clean that out there. And it's a perfect fit. So that's gonna do it there on the washer. Close that up, come over to the matching electric dryer. We've got it set heavy duty, high on temperature, more on dryness level, which extends the timeout. Wrinkle shield, you can turn that on or off, gives you more time to get back to the clothes before the wrinkles set in. And I'm gonna show you that it is heating like it's supposed to. So it's about 75, 76 degrees. Everything here is spinning nice and fast on the dryer. So we'll go ahead and open it up. Been running for a couple minutes here, so it should be getting nice and hot. Right inside that heating element tube there, you can see it's heating up, getting very hot. Then that hot air mixes with the clothes, gets them dry. And then the air moves through your lint trap right here, which one you want to make sure before each and every load, this is nice and clean and clear. And the air flows through there and out the back of your dryer. So good airflow there. We'll just hit start. Get that back up and running. We'll go ahead and get these listed up for sale. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Oops, grab my kid's fruit cup. And thanks, you guys have a great day.